రాజ్యసభ సమావేశాలు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
सब लोग बैठे प्लीज. There is a condolence please. Doctor, honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Dr. Jitendra Kumar Jain, a former member of this House, on the 5th March 2018 at the age of 73 years. Born in February 1945 at Baraut in Meerut district of Uttar Pradesh, Dr. Jain was educated at the Maulana Azad Medical College, Delhi University. A doctor by profession, Dr. Jain led medical relief operations during flood and cyclones in various parts of the country. He served as the president of the Delhi Medical Association from 1978 to 79 and the International Federation for Family Health. He pioneered the satellite television in the country. He also had a few medical publications and papers on scientific, social development and political issues to his credit. Dr. Jitendra Kumar Jain represented the state of Madhya Pradesh in this House from March 1990 to April 1994.
Question number 161.
विवरण सभा पटल पर अध्यक्ष महोदया रख दिया गया है.
Adjourn.
And observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Our Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. I know Dr. Jain as J.K. Jain only, that's why that spelling mistake. I know him for years, but we know only as J.K. Jain. But Jitendra Kumar Jain, they just now gave it to me, sorry. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
सर, आपकी अनुमति से आज दिनांक 7 मार्च 18 की पुनरीक्षित कार्य सूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 1 पर उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ.
डॉक्टर महेश शर्मा.
Serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
श्री गिरिराज सिंह.
मैं आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज के संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 3 पर मेरे नाम के आगे उल्लेखित कागजात को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं.
श्री हंसराज गंगाराम अहिर.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से मैं अपने नाम के सन्मुख आज के पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 4 में उल्लेखित पत्रों की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं.
श्री किरण रिज्जू.
On the table of the House, papers listed against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
Sri C.R. Chaudhary.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 6 in the revised list of business for today, the 7th March 2018. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy. Sri Samsher Singh Manhas.
Sir, I wish to lay on the table a copy each in Hindi and English from 31st to 37 reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy.
Honorable members, I have to inform the members that the Business Advisory Committee, in its meeting held on 6th March 2018, has allotted time for the government, legislative and other business as follows. Discussion on the working of the following ministries: drinking water and sanitation, culture, food processing industries, home affairs. 1 day each, that is 4 hours. Consideration and return of appropriation bills relating to following demands for grants after they are passed by Lok Sabha. Supplementary demands for grants 17-18, demands for grants 18-19, 4 hours together to be discussed together. Then consideration and passing of the following bills after they are passed by Lok Sabha. The Payment of Gratuity Amendment Bill 2017, 1 hour. Dentist Amendment Bill 2017, 1 hour. Specific Relief Amendment Bill, 1 hour. The Representation of the People's Amendment Bill, 2 hours. Negotiable Instrument Amendment Bill, 2 hours. National Council for Teachers Education Amendment Bill, 2 hours. New Delhi International Arbitration Center Bill, 3 hours. The Consumer Protection Bill 2018, 3 hours. The committee also recommended that the House may sit beyond 6 p.m. as and when necessary for the transaction of the government, legislative and other businesses. They are such important subjects to be discussed. I hope that the members will take care of it. Statement by Minister Sri C.R. Chowdhury. Before the Minister makes a statement, I want to make an observation. I have seen in media certain places that statues of different people were vandalized at different places. Leaders. No, it's a shame. It's a please. And it's mad whoever does it. Whether it is Tamil Nadu, whether it is West Bengal, whether it is Tripura, whoever does it, it's mad, and appropriate authorities, I hope, will take firm action. That's the view. Then coming back to this thing, I hope you see. Please sit down. Please sit down. What is this? That is mad and this is bad. Try to understand. What can I do? कैसा होगा? ऐसा होगा? You know. C.R. Chowdhury.
Honorable Chairman, sir.
Please, records, please go back to your seats. Records, please go back to your seats.
Recommendations contained in the 136th report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Commission on commerce on the action taken by the
Honorable members, please notice about the banking scam has been admitted on the day one. The chair has given permission. The leader of the opposition has given notice.
Ministry of Commerce and
Leader of the House have agreed for discussion on the very first day. Government is willing. Chair has permitted. I don't know why discussion is not started. It's a very important issue. This bank issue is a very important issue. Let us start the discussion. Please go back to your respective seats. Entire country want discussion. Entire country want discussion. Please go back to your seats. Every issue is important. Kaveri is important. Andhra is important. This bank issue also is important. I am ready to permit all discussions, but provided if the House is in order. Very bad. Wrong message is going. This is against democracy. Please understand. This is against democracy. The norms of the House. The purpose is different that we have been sent here to discuss, debate and decide. Don't do like this. I once again appeal all the members to go back to their places. The House is adjourned to meet at 2 p.m. in the afternoon.